video. Today I'm gonna walk through when is really the best time, choice to use Div-idy versus maybe a more traditional tool. Now I'd say if you're a more technical person that knows how to do a lot and are pretty comfortable and building a website, building a web app, having integrations in there, I would say Div-idy is probably not the tool for you. But if you're someone who doesn't know that or feels weary about doing it, even purchasing different things in different areas, Div-idy could be a helpful tool. And so one of the things I like to always share is that, um, it is totally, AI based. You don't have to know anything technical to do well with using Div-idy. If you want to build something, you just type it in a prompt. If you want to add images, you just, click a button. Um, if you want to make edits, again, you just type a prompt. You don't have to know to code. You don't need to even be very technically good in a computer in general. And then on top of that, there's things like you can have a database connected to it. There's no integration required. You just type the prompt and it'll start connecting. It'll connect that for you. Same with AI. You can have your own AI built into it. You can have analytics. You don't have to worry about plugging that in and then learning a whole other tool. You can have A/B test in there, and that one's a very complicated thing. That's very much simplified here. And then once you have winnings and findings, they're easy to publish because it's all just from the same tool. SEO is very easy to focus on here because you just have to worry about the content. All of the technical parts of having a sitemap and Google crawl it, all that's taken care of on Div-idy already. And then ads. Ads are a complicated thing that needs approval. We found a really good vendor where it's pretty easy, and you can personalize the ads the way you want them to look exactly the way. You don't have to worry about possible odd things on there. It can be set up the way you'd like that. And so we try to create all these things so a person can create um, a tool, a web app, a website without having to worry about all these other aspects of it. They could just type a prompt, trial it and, test it out. And if they like it, they can publish that and try out their idea. But then also they can iterate on it. They can A/B test with it. They can prototype very easily with it. And so that's the goal with Div-idy is try to make that as easy as possible. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful and we'll catch you in the next one.